Welcome to SDAS Tech Talk. This video shows you the steps to change Stata Edition on a Windows PC. Step 1. Open the control panel by clicking on the Windows logo at the bottom of the screen and searching for the program. Step 2. Click on Programs and Features. Step 3. Find Stata 19 or Stata Now 19 in the list of programs. Right-click on it and then click Change. This should open the following window. Step 4. Click Next, then make sure the Modify option is selected before clicking Next again. Step 5. Select the correct edition for your Stata license. Here we are selecting Stata MP, but you will need to select whatever matches your license. Then click Next. Step 6. Click on Install to start the installation of the correct edition. Please wait while the software installs. Step 7. Type Stata in the search bar and then right-click to select Open File Location. This will open the directory with your Stata installations. Step 8. Right-click on the Stata that has the incorrect edition to delete it. This will avoid confusion as you will not be able to accidentally open the wrong edition. Step 9. Double-click on the other program file in this directory to open Stata. Step 10. You may automatically see the following dialog box appear. Alternatively, navigate in the menus to Help, then Update License, then Enter or Import New License. Step 11. Either enter the details manually from the PDF sent by SDAS, or if you have a ST codes file, select Import New License Codes. Locate where you have saved the ST codes file on your computer and double-click on it. This will automatically enter most of the necessary details. You will just need to manually enter your name. Then click Next. Step 12. Click Finish. The license is now activated. It should look like this. If it does not, please email SDAS Technical Support at support@surveydesign.com.au.
Thank you for watching.